What is up, you guys? I am actually just came back on. I'm going to be removing my nail polish with my e-file. I am going to be using this bit. I do have a couple others that I usually use for removing product and stuff off my nails, but it's going to remove like most of my acrylic because it's kind of strong, so I decided to use this one. It is the medium cone bit that I got from Todak. So I thought I would just show you guys, because also I am using the selfie ring light that I shared in my last video I just recently posted. So I wanted you guys to be able to see how well that is working out for me. Also, I do have the light on from the ring light. Let's see. Whoa. Oh wait, no, I didn't turn it on yet. Alright, so it is on the highest setting right now, and I have it kind of above my phone and camera area to kind of light up the space while I'm working. So I'm going to see. I think I'm going to put it down some, and yeah, think about right here. So this is where I'm putting it, on the side. And I do have my phone in the holder. This is why I can move it like that. It can turn. I can lift it. Oh, shoot. I just clipped it. Okay. My husband's playing his video game and I hear him giggling. Oh. Alright. Okay, so I'm going to start removing the polish off of my nails. I just want to see, because I have on black, like dark polish. Actually, I did this like the day of Halloween, I think. And it's time to come off because I've been doing nails and opening boxes and stuff. I did get started a little bit. But I did not want to use any nail polish remover because it's so dark. I know that it's probably going to stain my nails. So I'd rather just get it off with the drill to like, so it'll be cleaner. So let's see how it works. I don't do this all the time. I usually use polish remover, so bear with me. It got it off pretty good. I'm probably going to end up doing a fill-in anyway because I do need to go over it and kind of smooth the nail out. I did acrylic nails on my mom, which is why a lot of them are missing, because I'll use my fingers to clean up the nail and stuff when I do other people's nails. But yeah, worked pretty good. It just takes longer, and I accidentally took some off the side here, a little bit too much. But I basically wanted to show how well the Selfie Ring Series cell phone holder works. Works good. Like I said, I could move it around, up, over, down, all that good stuff. Here's the light. The only light I have on is just my room light. I have the video lighting on, and then this light. So this light does give it a bit extra lighting. I don't know if I could turn the light off while I'm doing a video. Let me see something. So this is the lighting with just the ring light on and my room light. So it actually isn't still too bad. I don't have the light on from my phone, just only the ring light. And then you can move it around. You can put it over, you know, like overhead. and it still is pretty good lighting. Actually, it's not too bad. It gives enough good extra lighting. Not a ton. I wouldn't say you can work with just only that light on, but it is good for recording the videos and stuff like that, taking pictures with some extra lighting and stuff like that. So yeah. All right, you guys, so that is it. That's all I wanted to show you guys really quick, was give y'all an update on the Selfie Series ring light plus phone holder that my previous video I posted in. I got it at Family Dollar for $5. So yeah. All right, that's it, you guys. Thanks for watching.